Ever wondered why losing weight and getting a good night's sleep seem to be a Herculean task? The struggle is real, often leaving us feeling frustrated and worn out. But what if there was a way to ease this struggle? What if a simple nightly elixir could help combat both these issues? The answer lies in a concoction of simple ingredients that you might already have in your kitchen. Raw honey, with its detoxifying nutrients, aids in cleansing the liver and intestines, thus accelerating weight loss. Paprika, rich in vitamin B, not only aids in sleep by helping to produce melatonin, but is also a thermogenic thanks to capsaicin. Black pepper, another thermogenic, contains piperine, while cinnamon, with its cinnamaldehyde, rounds off our list of thermogenic ingredients. Now let's create this elixir. Begin with a cup of boiling water. Add a half teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon of paprika, and a tablespoon of raw honey. Finish with a dash or two of black pepper. Stir it all together with a spoon. It's as easy as that. Remember to drink a cup of this elixir 30 minutes before bedtime. And there you have it, a cup of this potent elixir ready to work its magic. You might be wondering what makes this elixir so special. Well, let's dive into the magic. The ingredients in this elixir are not just random choices. They are all thermogenic foods, meaning they help your body burn fat. Paprika, for instance, contains capsaicin, a naturally thermogenic compound. Additionally, paprika's vitamin B content aids in melatonin production, assisting you in getting a good night's sleep. It also stimulates the body's serotonin and norepinephrine levels, which helps you to stay happy and stress-free. Also, paprika is rich in anti-inflammatory properties, which help those suffering from autoimmune diseases. Then there's raw honey, a sweet detoxifier for your liver and intestines. It helps them eliminate waste more efficiently. This is crucial because a clean digestive system can speed up your weight loss journey. Honey also has powerful anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. And there's more. Raw honey is a strong antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress in the body. Cinnamon is one of the healthiest spices on earth. Besides aiding in belly fat loss and raising the metabolic rate, it also helps lower blood sugar levels and fights diabetes. The compound piperine found in black pepper increases metabolism and raises the body's temperature and helps to prevent fat accumulation in the body. So, why not give this elixir a try? It's simple, beneficial, and could be the solution to your weight loss and sleep troubles. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, stay active and eat well to live long and strong.